My dear children, very pleasant morning to all of you. Welcome to online classes of Standard 5th subject Moral Science. So, lastly we have completed our chapter Justice. So, what we have learned from that chapter? What is the moral of the story? That poor or rich, all are equal. We should not make poor far from justice. We should give and we should be very humble. Okay. Then afterwards, what happened? The king gave permission to the farmer to keep his hut behind the palace only. So this is the justice he have done. Okay. Now that chapter exercise PDF I have sent, you write it in your fair notebook. So today we'll start with our chapter number 11, that is forgiveness. Okay, so let's start. A cholera epidemic broke out in Paris during the year 1832. So now this corona is there, no? So now in the Paris in the year 1832, what is there? Cholera is there. Now Sister Maria, a sister of charity, was going to the hospital one day. So Sister Maria is a sister of charity, very kind person. She was going to hospital one day when she was rudely insulted by a workman. He followed her shouting abusive words and would have struck her head. He had not been prevented by some bystander. So what happened? The workman is there in the hospital. We have behaved very rude with her Maria. And all are giving bad words and abusive, shouting her, and not prevented. And no any doctor has taken his side. Sister Maria quickly went her way. Then she went away. A few days later, a new patient was brought to the hospital. After a few days, first Sister Maria came. Then after a few days, what is that? New patient was brought to the hospital. The hospital was crowded with patients, with a death occurring every few minutes. So now you can feel that corona is like this only, no? That crowded is there in every hospitals, and that was occurring in very few minutes. Every minute that is occurring. So that time also this cholera was epidemic. Now, no room, not even for one more. So all hospitals and all things are packed at that time. Said the official at the door. So at the door, the are telling. So all rooms and all the rooms are packed. The new patient was being turned away at the door when Sister Maria happened to pass by and recognized him. Then what happened? The new patient was at the door. So Sister Maria recognized her. It was the man who had insulted her the previous day. And that patient is who, you know? That man who insulted Sister Maria. Oh, don't send him away. I will find a corner for him somewhere. Then they are telling in the hospital, say, don't send them. I will find a corner in any hospital. And I will look after him myself. And I will take care of that person. That person insulted Sister Maria. Then also she is telling, don't send him back. I will take care of him. Told the sister. Then he was taken in. He was in very serious condition. He was in very serious condition. The sister nursed him unceasingly, in addition to all her other patients. Then the man did not recognize the sister as one of those he had insulted. The sister nursed him. So, without any fear, she taken care. And that man could not recognize that sister that she has insulted. He had insulted. For he had insulted many times. Right? As a result of the hard work and the tender care of Sister Maria, so Sister Maria is there to take care of that person. Right? She take care and hard work for that person. Tender care of Sister Maria, the man's health improved. So he was in very serious condition. Then also sister was taking care, so his health was improved. Soon he was out of danger. Now he don't have to worry about his life. He is out of danger. By that time he had come to know that the sister who was nursing him was a Sister Maria. What he was telling, that the sister was nursing him, means was taking care, was a Sister Maria, whom he had insulted many times. Then after some time health was improved, he realized, oh, I have insulted this Sister Maria and she is only taking care of myself. He wanted to say sorry to the sister. Now he was feeling very guilty that I will say sorry because I have insulted and she is taking care. But the next day he found a new nurse looking after him. The next day his health improved. Sister Maria gone, a new nurse came to him. Sister Maria was not seen anywhere. He was trying to find Sister Maria because he wanted to say sorry now, but he could not find them. Then, where is Sister Maria? He asked. Then new nurse is there. So he is asking that, where is Sister Maria? She caught the disease herself and died during the night. Oh my God, what happened? That she was taking care of this person and she only died because she also caught that disease and died that night, said the nurse. The said. So we have feel na the doctor are taking care of ourselves in COVID-19 situation and they are only dying. So like this, Sister Maria also died. The life of Sister Maria is inspiring. She was serving the poor people. Still she was insulted and harassed. All people are making abusive, bad words and harassing. Then also she is helping to the poor people. But she did not stop her good work. She is always doing good work. How much you harass or insult her. Many times we stop doing good work for the fear of being insulted by others. So sometimes we want to do good work, but what we feel that if people will insult, then we will not do. Sister Maria got a chance to take revenge on the man who insulted her. She is getting a chance. That is, this person health is bad. So she cannot take. She will tell you go. She can also do insult, but no, she have not done insult. When he has to go to the hospital as a very sick person, but instead of taking revenge, she helped him, and because of that loving work she did. So she did the loving work, saved a person's life. When the man came to know that Sister Maria was the one who was nursing, so when she came to know that she was nursing him on his deathbed. He felt very soon sorry for his earlier action. When he felt that she was helping me to come out of this disease when I am on the deathbed, then he felt very sorry. I should not make insult of her like that. He wanted to meet the sister, but he could not as she died during the previous night. He feels that I want to meet the Sister Maria and want to tell sorry, but what happened? Now she is dead. How he can meet? Sister Maria changed the heart of the man who insulted her through her loving words and generous help. So the person, he was getting angry too much, but he changed his heart by loving words and generous help. When we forgive others, we can also change other people. So when people are telling something, we should forgive them and we should change other people. Forgiveness is the best gift we can offer each other. So however your friend is there or anything in class behaving very rudely, but you should always forgive to them. So this way you change the other people, and it is the best gift which we can offer to the other. In our school we got a lot of chances to forgive our friend, like that I told. When others do something against us, we should not fight with them. If they are telling you don't do this, you are doing this, we should not fight with them. When we do something wrong, we should say sorry. Then we can live happily and peacefully. If we have done wrong, then we can say sorry. We should not argue or we can fight them, so that we can live happy and peaceful life. Okay, so this is the chapter of forgiveness, that we should forgive other people. How much they will insulted, like this we can change other people, and it is the best gift, and we can live a very happy and peaceful life. Okay, so this also PDF I will send today. Oh, you wrote both 10th and 11th chapter. Next lecture will start with our 12th chapter. Okay, thank you children.